And now, back by popular demand. You asked for it, you got it. Messing with Ming 2. Brought to you by a Norm Ran It in the Ground Productions.
Come in, Bonchoy! Ooh, ooh! What happened? Uh-oh! What happened? This big kaboom! No, I think you're driving Interstate 10 in Alhambra! Somebody cut me off. Carpooling, big car crash. Everybody carpooling, rip rash. No blinker? Hey, what happened? No. Who cares? You pull it. Hey, it's okay. The store fix it soon. 15. Hey, next time use blinker. That's my buddy Ming. Say hi, Ming. Say hi, Ming. Hey, no care, they pull it. What happened? Hey, he's always putting green cans with the white cans. Green label, white label. Give me a totem pole. 704L, what the 5? Ming, it doesn't matter. Now you gotta wipe all the paint off the floor. Look at the floor. Ooh, nice color.